We were blown away with your support for the first game, and it's been surreal, and we've supported so much, and like, yeah, we're so grateful for all the support, and we can't wait to see you again and hopefully put on a good show for you.
The message to the fans is always going to be like, we hear every single one of you individually, we hear you as a group, and you know, it's not just our friends and family as the fans anymore, it's a whole red wall, it's everyone from Wales. And you know, if you're at home supporting, we appreciate that. If you're here in the stadium supporting or in and around the ground supporting, we hear that. And honestly, like the other day, I think blown us all away. I don't think it was ever going to be like what we expected, because it like succeeded expectation completely. And you know, same again for the anthem on Wednesday.
I've been getting goosebumps the whole interview just talking about it, so yeah, it's crazy.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Look really tan today, Lois.
So do you. I think it's the light in here.
Maybe. But yeah, to the fans.
Love the fans.